wheel. Let's get that mega. Mega. Oh, another minor. Okay. This one's only 6 games, but maybe we can get a roar right off the bat again. Or something. Okay. $40 on that one. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Hey, we got the minor games within $3. It's only 6, but you never know. Ooh. I guess we do know. This is gross. Not going like the other ones did. You gotta move them in the front. Oh, last game. Yeah, 30. Not bad. Okay, we'll take it. Ouch. Kind of kicked us there, but okay. 9 minor spins. Let's see how this goes. Let's get rid of that glare. Oh, roaring right off the bat. Good first spin. Okay. 19. I'm trying to get that glare off of there. Roar again. Oh yeah. Good so far. Come on. Oh, no. Get another roar. One more roar. Not bad at all. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Okay, I got another wheel. Hope we can get the mega this time. Oh, we got the mini. Kind of what I was after, but if I got the mega in the meantime, I would have been happy. But the mini's 20 games, but we only get 1 wild reel, so maybe we can get some roars. watching, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, 244. Okay, I got the 5400 way, so let's just see if we can get that purple arrow on the end, or maybe free games. Come on. Queens. So much potential. Come on. Coin, 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 coin. Yeah. Now maybe we can trigger it within the games. Or get one of those supers. No coins. Oh. Oh, 3 multipliers. Come on, give me a 3. 1 3. 1 3. No, bunch of 2s. Yeah. We got 2 games. Unless we get coins. Last game. Nope. No points. Okay. I'll be back if that arrow drops, I guess. I don't want to bore people with a $1 bet. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I got the 3x, 5x. Now let's just hope it'll give us something. Oh, come on. Coin, 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 coin. Nope. At least one fucking re-trigger. Oh my god. 10 fucking cents, oh my god. Okay, that paid more than the damn bonus. Oh my god. Devastation. Okay. I'll be back. I got the 3x, 5x games. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully we can get re-triggers. Yesterday didn't give me any re-triggers. It is dirty.